Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, I am going to share with you the importance of Arabic and English language for Islamic scholar. I remember when I was in Jamia Arabiyya and I was preparing to go to Al-Azhar University. At that time, my respected teacher, Maulana Ziaur Rahman Al-Alimi, came to me and said, Ali, it is very important for you to have the knowledge about two languages. First of them, the language of getting a knowledge, and second of them, the language of spreading the knowledge. I couldn't understand, so I said to him, would you explain your point? He explained very well and said, Ali, in order to become a great Islamic scholar or an effective, impressive Islamic teacher for Islamic subjects, you must have the knowledge about Arabic language. You must know the Arabic language, because every authentic, reliable, most important book was written in Arabic language in Islamic subjects like tafsir and usul tafsir, hadith and usul hadith, tarikh, siyar, ilm al-aqidah, tasawwuf, fiqh, etc. So there are millions of books in Islamic subjects were written in Arabic language. So if you don't know how to read those books in Arabic language, and if you don't know how to understand those books in Arabic language, you wouldn't be able to understand the real Islamic rules. You wouldn't be able to understand the actually Islamic fundamentals. So you are needed to learn Arabic language very well. You are required to learn Arabic language very well. And second thing, the language of spreading the knowledge is English. If you want to send your message to all over the world, if you want to spread your knowledge to all over the world, you must know English language. You must know how to speak English language. You must know how to explain in English language, because English language is global language, and English language is spoken all over the world. Not only is English countries, even in Arabic countries there is English language. So if you want to spread your knowledge, if you want to send your message to all over the world, you must know English language. And second thing, there is a thinking. If you don't know English language, and if you don't use the English sentences or English words in your talking, you are not educated. This is the thinking. So you are required to know English language very well. You are required to learn English language very well, because this is the language of spreading a knowledge. In summary, two languages are very, very important for every Islamic scholar. First of Arabic language to get a knowledge, and second English language to spread the knowledge. This was the point which I wanted to share with you. We will meet in the next video, inshallah.